a new flavor into your dreams of taste.
Little Chef Contestant number 22, Amna Mariam, first standard, Mattanur Malabar School, Kannur.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Amna Mariam. I am from 2nd A of Mattanur Malabar English School. My recipe is yummy and easy chicken fry. Let us see the ingredients for chicken fry. Here is 400 gram chicken, oil to fry, 1 tablespoon fenugreek powder, 2 tablespoon chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half lemon, and salt as much as we need. Now I will take a bowl to mix the masalas. Now we will take chicken. Now let's add masalas. Fenugreek powder, chili powder, garam masala, and turmeric powder. Now let's add salt. Next we add lemon. Now let us mix chicken with masala. Let us add little oil to coat the masala. Our chicken is well marinated. Now let us keep it for 10 minutes side. Waiting for 10 minutes. Now let us cook and fry the chicken very well. First let us heat the pan. The pan is hot. Now let us put little oil into the pan. We need only little oil to fry the chicken. Now I am going to fry the chicken. Close the lid for an easy cooking. Let us cook it in low flame. Turn the chicken and fry the other side. Now let us again close the lid and cook. I think the chicken is cooked. Let us see. Wow, the chicken is really cooked. It smells good. Chicken is ready. Now let us decorate. My yummy chicken fry is ready. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell button. So, we will see in the new episode. Till then, bye bye.
ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ വ്യൂസ് ലഭിക്കുന്ന 3 പാചക വീഡിയോകൾക്കാണ് സമ്മാനം. ഈ പ്രോഗ്രാമിന്റെ അവസാന തീയതി 2020 സെപ്റ്റംബർ 19-നാണ്. വിജയികളെ 2020 സെപ്റ്റംബർ 26 പ്രഖ്യാപിക്കുന്നതാണ്.